Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute granny square. I call it a sunflower granny square, or you may see it in other places called a sunburst, but I've used this for a couple of projects, and I think that it makes for a really pretty flower pattern that you can work together into dresses, bags, all kinds of different stuff. So I'll show you how to get started. So the materials that I'm using are 4 different colors of weight 4 yarn and a 4mm hook. So let's start with the center ring. You're going to make a slip knot, insert your hook, and chain 5. Then you're going to take your hook and insert it into the first loop that you made. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through the other side for a slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 3. So you see here you've made a little circle, and you're going to yarn over and insert 15 double crochets into that center hole. So it's yarn over, insert, pull 1 through, pull through 2, pull through 2. So I've got 3 plus the chain, and so you want to make 15 of these stitches total, and I'll meet you at the end. Alright, so now I'm at the end. I have my 15 stitches and then the chain, and I'm going to insert my hook and do a slip stitch at the end. Chain 1, pull a little bit through, and snip. And then you're just going to tie it off. And that's your first ring. Now we're going to pull our next color, and you're going to make a slip knot. Put it on your hook. So you can actually insert it wherever you want, doesn't matter. I'm going to choose right here. So you're inserting it into one of these V shapes, yarning over, and making a slip knot, and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now this is called a puff stitch. What we're going to do around here, see how it kind of puffs out? Think that it looks like flower petals. So for the first one, you're going to yarn over, insert into the very same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull up on your hook. That's what's going to make it like puffy and full. And then you're going to do it again. Pull up, and one more time. So you did 3 for that first one. And then you're going to yarn over, pull through all of them, and make 1 chain. Now for our next stitch, we're going to do that puff stitch again, but pull through 4 times, and you're going to pull through 4 times on all of the rest of the stitches. So we did 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull up, yarn over, pull through all of them, and chain 1. I'll do 1 more with you, but then we'll go all the way around. Yarn over, insert, pull up, 2, 3, and 4. Pull all the way through, chain 1. Alright, so keep going around, and I'll meet you at the end. So now I'm at the end again. I have all of my beautiful puff stitches, and I'm just going to insert, make a slip stitch, chain 1, and snip it. Right, now we'll move on to our next color. For this stitch, I actually don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like a mixture of a double crochet increase and decrease all in one. But yeah, again, for this row, you can insert wherever you want, but instead of going into like the V-shaped stitches at the top, we're going to go into these holes between each of the puffs. So we're going to insert our hook, insert our hook, and make a slip stitch, and chain 3. Then we're yarning over and inserting into that very same hole and pulling one through, yarning over and pulling through two. Now we're going to yarn over again, insert, and pull through two, insert, and pull through two. So now only for this first stitch we're going to have 4 on the hook. The only reason that we have this is because we have that chain to worry about. But now that we've got 4 on the hook, we are going to yarn over and pull through all 4 and chain 2. So now we're going to yarn over and look for our next hole, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, insert, pull through 2, insert, pull through 2, and now we've got the 4, but since we don't have to worry about that chain anymore, I'm going to make sure that there's 5 loops on the hook. So doing it one more time, and now there's 5 loops on the hook. So we are going to yarn over, pull through all of them, chain 2. I'll do it again, insert, and pull through, so we've got our 5 stitches on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and chain 2. So now I'm just going to keep going, and I will meet you guys when I get to the end of this row. Alright, we're at the end, and I'm just going to insert, make a slip stitch, chain 1, and tying off. Alright, and now we have our final row, which is going to actually turn this into a square. We're going to do triple crochets, which are a new one, but they're really simple. Double crochets, half double crochets, and that's pretty much it. So I'm grabbing my next color, making a slip knot, and again, insert wherever you want, and we're inserting into the holes. And make a slip stitch and chain 4. So now I'm going to teach you how to do a triple crochet. So we're going to yarn over twice. I kind of like this motion, it's kind of fun. Then we're going to insert back into that same hole, pull one through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and that's a triple crochet. And we're going to put one more of those into the same hole. Yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and now without any chains or anything, we're going to put 3 double crochets into the next hole. So yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then 2 more. And now for the next hole, we're going to put 3 half double crochets into here. 1, so that's insert, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So I've got my 3 half double crochets. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets in the next hole. Alright, and now we're at the next one, so we're going to make 3 triple crochets. So I yarned over twice, and triple crochet, so now that we've made 3, we are going to chain 3. And in that very same hole, we are going to make 3 more triple crochets. That's going to make the corner. Alright, and you may start to see the pattern now. So the corners are the triple crochets, and then the half double crochets, and then the smallest one. So you may be starting to see the pattern now. The corners are triple crochets, and then it gets a little bit smaller in the double crochet, and then the smallest being the half double crochet. Then we widen up again to make the other corner. So I'll just continue on with you here. We're doing 3 double crochets, then 3 half double crochets, double crochets again, and we've reached another corner. So continue on with this pattern until you get to the end, and I'll show you how to attach the corners. Alright, so I've gotten to just about the end here, so I have my corner with the triple crochets, double crochets, half double crochets, and double crochets again. And now I get to the corner, and notice how we only have 3 here. So we're going to make 3 more triple crochets in that same corner that we started on. And now just to finish it, we're chaining 3 and inserting our hook with a slip stitch, chain 1, snip, and tie off. And there is your sunflower or sunburst granny square. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Alright, bye!